Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI, step by step. First, go to janitorai.com and choose any character you want to chat with. For this example, I'll pick Inarius. Click on it, then press Chat to open the conversation window. Next, look at the top right corner and click the hamburger icon, the 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, go to API Settings. Inside API Settings, scroll down to the Proxy section and click Add Configuration. Here's where we'll add DeepSeek. Now for the model setup, we'll use Open Router, since it's the easiest way to connect models. So open a new tab and go to openrouter.ai. Log in or create an account if you don't have one yet. On the left side, click Models, or just search directly for DeepSeek. You'll see a list of models. Some are free, others require payment. Look for DeepSeek v3.1. It's free to use. Click on it, then press the Copy button next to the model name to copy it. Now go back to Janitor AI, and in the model name field, paste what you just copied. Next, you'll need the API or proxy URL. If you're using OpenRouter, you can use this general proxy URL. You'll usually find it in your OpenRouter dashboard. Paste it into the URL field in Janitor AI. If you're using another service, the URL might be different. Just check that service's documentation. Now comes the most important part, your API key. Go back to OpenRouter, click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and select Keys. Click Create API Key, give it a name like Janitor AI Tutorial, and hit Create. You'll see your API key, copy it immediately and save it somewhere safe, because you won't be able to view it again after closing the window. Then go back to Janitor AI, paste that key into the API key field, and double check that everything looks correct. You can also add a custom prompt if you want to change how the AI behaves, but this is optional. Once everything is filled out, click Save Settings. If the setup was done correctly, you'll see Using Proxy appear at the top, meaning DeepSeek is now active. To test it, go back to Chat, type something like, "Hey, what's up?" and hit Enter. If you get an error message, don't worry, just refresh the page and try again. Once it reconnects, you should see the model replying to your message. And that's it. That's how you set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.